Writing for the web requires a lot of moving parts. You draft in one window, check your word count in another, and run your text through a formatting tool in a third. All these separate browser tabs end up jamming together, slowing down your writing process. And when you finally copy that finished draft from a standard word processor, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you are usually bringing along hidden code. Invisible HTML tags and inline CSS elements ride along with your text. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the code used to structure a web page. And when you paste those hidden word processor styles into your content management system, they clash directly with your site's design and break your layout. Search engines actively grade how you present your text. If your sentences are too long or your meta descriptions miss specific character limits, algorithms will penalize your page. Proper formatting and precise character counts dictate where your page ranks in search results and how easily your audience can read it. Bouncing between a half-dozen single-purpose web apps to fix these issues consumes valuable time, and relying on messy text transfers actively damages the structural quality of your published work. Most free online text utilities try to solve this by having you paste your drafts directly into their web pages, but this requires sending your unreleased articles, sensitive client data, or proprietary code to a remote third-party server. Sending text back and forth across the internet introduces network latency. Every time you type a word or click a button, the server has to process the change and send it back, creating a frustrating, sluggish delay when you are trying to track your text metrics in real time. If you are an SEO professional or a freelance developer, protecting your client's intellectual property is a strict requirement. When your text travels across that network line, it leaves your control and could potentially be intercepted or stored by the host server. The moment your raw text leaves your computer to be processed somewhere else, you lose both your speed and your privacy. The Prime Tool Hub free word counter and text case converter consolidates these scattered steps into a single unified workspace that operates with zero delay. As soon as you start typing, the interface tracks your exact progress. It calculates your total words, counts your sentences, and generates an estimated reading time based on a standard 200 word per minute pace. This animated diagram shows why exact numbers matter for digital marketing. Google search results enforce strict limits. Meta titles must stay under 60 characters, and meta descriptions are capped at 160. If you exceed that limit, the search engine automatically cuts off your text. For writers billing by the letter, the tool specifically isolates character counts that exclude spaces. Watching your metrics update live as you hit the keys removes all the guesswork from meeting editorial guidelines. Once your draft is the right length, the built-in Advanced Text Case Converter lets you restructure entire blocks of formatting with a single click. While it handles standard uppercase and lowercase formats, the system includes a dedicated engine for professional title case. It strictly follows AP style rules, the standard capitalization guidelines used by journalists. It automatically capitalizes major words, while it identifies and keeps minor words like and or the in lowercase. If you accidentally type a whole paragraph with caps lock engaged, you don't have to delete and retype it from scratch. You just highlight the text and convert it instantly. Applying these algorithmic rules guarantees your headings look professional across your site while cutting down your manual editing time. Modern search engines employ complex natural language processing to read your content. If you unnaturally repeat your main topic over and over, a tactic known as keyword stuffing, Google's algorithms will penalize your page and push it down the rankings. This dial illustrates the Keyword Density Analyzer. It filters out common stop words, calculating the exact percentage of your most frequently used terms. Maintaining a density of 1 to 2. Before you export, the built-in text cleaners use regular expressions to find and delete irregular double spaces, empty line breaks, and all those hidden HTML tags left over from your word processor. Removing that invisible code and verifying your keyword mathematics are strictly necessary steps for producing clean, highly ranked web content. The most impressive feature of this utility is the technical architecture running underneath it. It operates entirely offline. This diagram shows client-side processing. Instead of transmitting to a server, analytical logic runs directly inside your device's RAM. Your text never crosses a network, keeping unreleased articles completely private. The data disappears entirely when you close the tab. This local processing eliminates latency, allowing the tool to function flawlessly even if you disconnect from the internet. Optimizing your workflow requires tools that protect your intellectual property while operating exactly as fast as you can type. You can secure perfect formatting, run instant character counts, and execute strict SEO analysis, all processed locally for free. Stop risking your data privacy with scattered online tools. Bookmark Prime Tool Hub today and streamline your digital writing workflow.